Okay, welcome back to my channel. For today, I'll be teaching some tips and tricks on how to maximize your ROG Phone 2. Basically, I'll be teaching you the settings I have been using. I'm on Android 10 Beta 3 and I have a good battery life and I don't experience any network drops. So a lot of you have been asking or been messaging me, do I get good battery life? Do I get disconnected in network? So I just made a video on what my setting is so I can show you guys. Let's start. Let's go to settings. On network, what I do, I click on Wi-Fi and click on the three dots on top. Go to advanced. I turn off open network notification. By turning this off, it will also save some battery because it won't scan and it won't pop up every time there's open network. Switch to mobile data automatically. You can turn this off if you want, if you're in the house and you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, to prevent drops on your Wi-Fi and switching it to mobile data. I usually turn it on because I'm outside, but when I'm playing mobile games at the house, I just turn it off. Okay, so that's for Wi-Fi. And okay, let's go to the next. On sound, of course, it all depends on you. I have outdoor mode off, smart volume off, sync volumes on. I'm using right now my 𝘕𝘂𝘈𝘈65T, which is, I'm using it as a mic. And let's see, battery. This is where most of you ask me a lot of questions. Battery, each person has a different use on battery, so they cannot say that if their battery is running too low or running too fast. It will have to be, depends on the user preferences. Like example for me, I have all these apps. Okay, so if you have more apps, expect to be using more battery life. To save on battery, first of all, just turn off detect battery draining apps. This will prevent your phone to keep on searching for battery draining apps and inform you if they're gonna turn it off or not. Adaptive battery, I have it on. Battery optimization. So here, as you can see, I don't optimize my apps. I just leave it as is. All apps is being optimized and battery use, sorry. So all apps are being optimized. I don't do a specific setting for this. For Power Master, Auto Start Manager. So I have turned off everything. So as you can see, I just have the themes running. Messenger, Maps, I can turn this off. So I don't have to, it doesn't start automatically when you start your phone. Gmail, I have to turn it on. For the rest, like games or something, I just leave it off. File Manager, I just turn it off. Downloaded, these are ASUS Updater. I keep it always open, so every time I start my phone, it checks for update. But as you can see, for the rest, Find My Device, it's on. Family Link, I use this app to monitor my kids' account. But for the rest, everything is off. So you don't have to monitor those apps anymore. Battery saving options. So just click on stop unnecessary apps. You can see I have apps running in the background, even though when you do this, it's still there. I don't have ad guard. I just kill those apps. See? Okay. So you can just do that about once a day. Battery care, I always have this on. Start time is 10 p.m. to 5 p.m. You've also been asking how long do I have to charge my phone, at what percent do I have to charge my phone. For me personally, I don't monitor the percentage. I just charge it whenever there's no battery. I take it out in the morning. When I sleep at night, I charge it as long as it is on. 10 to 5 a.m. I charge it at about 9, leave it there. I don't get bothered if it gets overcharged. And as you can see, I have a very good charging habits. So don't worry too much about the battery. Privacy, well, this is more of a, let's say, it depends on the user. Which apps do you want to control your privacy? Okay, screen and lock, security and lock screen. Smart lock, I always keep this off. I don't set up anything here. Most of you also has the experience of having an issue with Android 10 saying that even the fingerprint is on, and when they swipe up, it automatically unlocks. Well, this is the reason. Maybe you have trusted places on. Like for example, I turn this on, and let's say I lock my device. So my advice, just keep it off. Everything on smart lock, just keep it off. Don't turn it on. Okay, mobile manager, always do a cleanup of your apps. This will save you some additional space and also keep your system running smooth. I do this usually about twice a day. Let's say midday and maybe the afternoon. Memory cleaner, very easy, just click on that. Actually I have a shortcut up here. See, system optimized, so it's very easy. Gestures, I always use gestures because I don't want having to deal with all those buttons. I always have glove mode on. I also have pocket mode on. This will increase your touch sensitivity. And let's see what else. Accessibility. Here, I have remove animations off. This will make your phone feel a lot faster. Also, go to System, Developer Options, and I usually have my here animation scale. I have it at 0.5 for both the three of them: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. I have them at 0.5. As you can see, if I have it at 0.1, it feels a lot slower. See? But when I have it at 0.5, look how fast the response of your phone would be. See? A lot faster. So you're asking, why not 0? It would be a lot faster at 0. Yeah, that's true. It would be a lot faster at 0, but the problem is sometimes when it's at 0 and you're using YouTube and buffering, there's this icon on the screen that I don't like because it's trying to look for an animation, and I just leave it at 0.5 so that I could still see the animation in a way. So anyway, location apps, I don't touch anything here. Basically that's it for my settings. The rest I just leave it as is. Play Store, I don't touch anything at Play Store. Everything is, see, a lot faster. I usually leave mine at about let's say 90 Hz refresh rate. I don't go 120. Armor crate. Let's see. PUBG. I have my performance at advanced, CPU high, temperature default, memory cleaner on. For display, anti-aliasing, refresh rate at 120. Touch should be -2. Sliding sensitivity 2. This goes for all my games. All my games have the same settings. So it's a personal preference for you guys if you want to have that settings or not. So it's up to you if you want to copy my settings. I'm just giving you my personal settings, which I have been very satisfied at. I don't experience any lags or frame drops on my games. If ever maybe you have a frame drop on your game, it could be a network error. It could be a lot of factors. Network error, data error, low signal on your data connection. It could be a error in your flashing part. So don't hesitate to PM me if ever you have any questions. I'll try to accommodate all of you as best as I can. Okay, so as usual, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for continue and watching my videos. Okay, thanks again so much, and till next time, bye guys.